Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I am from UP. I hope you are doing well and learning this beautiful language in a fun and simple way. Friends, today I am going to talk about a very common problem. Why people fear to speak English. English is one of the most important language in the world. It helps us in education, job, and our communication skills. But still, many people fear, many people fear and nervous and shy or afraid when they try to speak in English. The first and common reason is the fear of making mistake. Many people think that if they speak English or they speak correct, if they speak incorrect grammar or use wrong pattern, people laugh at them. But the truth is the mistake are a natural part of learning. You know very well. Just like a child learns to walk by falling again and again, we also learn a language by making mistakes. Another important reason is lack of confidence. Many people fear that their English is not good enough. They compare themselves with others who speak fluent and feel confident or feel inferior. This comparison reduces their confidence, but confidence does not comes instantly. It develops slowly with regular practice. Fear of judgment is also a major reason. People often think that others will laugh at them or make fun of their pronunciation. Because of this, they prefer to stay silent. But we should remember that people who laugh at others are not helping anyone grow. We should focus on our own environment instead of worrying, instead of thinking wrong about others' opinion. Poor vocabulary is another reason why people hesitate. Sometimes people know what they want to say, but they don't have the right words to express their thoughts in English. This creates confusion and fear. The best way to improve vocabulary is to learn a few new words daily and try to use them in sentence. You know, lack of practice is one of the biggest reason. Many people study English, grammar, and read books, but they don't practice speaking. Speaking is a skill and like any other skill, it improves only with practice. Without speaking and without practicing regularly, it becomes difficult to gain fluency. Another common problem is thinking in the native language first and then translating into our mother tongue or brain. This process takes so much time and makes speaking slow and confusing, most confusing. To improve, we should try to think directly in English, even if the sentences are simple. Simple sentence, oh sorry, simple sentence are simple. Simple sentence are always better than complicated ones. Okay, so some people also follow the wrong learning method. They focus too much on grammar rules and try to speak perfectly. But perfection is not necessary. The main goal of language is communication. If people understand what you are saying, that is more important than speaking perfectly. In many areas, there is no English speaking environment. People around us speak only their native language, so we don't get opportunities to practice English. However, today we have many online resources like videos and we have many online resources like videos, apps, and some social medias where we can listen and practice English anytime. Now let's talk about how we can overcome this fear. First, we should start speaking English daily, even for a few minutes. Second, we should not be afraid of making mistakes. Third, we can practice English in front of mirror to build confidence. Fourth, we should listen to English through videos, movies, or songs. And most importantly, we should believe in ourselves. Okay? In conclusion, fear of speaking English is very common. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. You can see it is getting dark and it is evening time. It is about 6:30 or 7 o'clock. I don't have any idea about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you in next video. Bye bye.